Hi guys! Welcome sa panibagong video tutorial. Ngayon, tuturo ko sa inyo yung calculator technique sa pagkuha ng root using Newton Raphson's method. So, yung technique na to is napakasimple lang, wherein kaya mo to i-solve into few seconds lang. So, ituturo ko na sa inyo. So, yung may function tayo na is equals to x sub 4 minus x minus 10. So, yung kailangan lang natin dito is, isulat yung kanyang given and yung derivative ng given function natin. So, ito na siya. Okay? And yung gagawin natin dito is, punta kayo sa calculator ninyo. Okay? So, mag-guess kayo initially. So, dito, mag-guess ako ng 2. Then, press nyo yung answer. And then, i-clear nyo. Then, click nyo yung answer button. Okay? So, yan na siya. And, satisfy na natin siya sa kanyang formula. So, answer minus fraction. So, yung x of n natin is, substitute natin yung answer sa original function. So, it is equals to answer raised to 4 and then minus 10 divided by yung derivative niya, which is 4 answer raised to 3 minus 1. Okay, so ito na siya. Click mo yung equals. So, yung answer niya for the first iteration is 1.8709. Click mo ulit yung equals. Yan yung answer sa second iteration, is 1.8557. Press mo ulit yung equals. So, this is also the third iteration. So, notice na sa problem, magko-correct lang tayo to 3 decimal places. So, sa previous iteration, iteration number 2, nakita natin na it is equals to 1.855. Therefore, yung include na yung first root is 1.855. Then, proceed tayo sa possible root since naka-x raised to 4 yung ating function. Therefore, there's possibility na meron pang ibang root. So, try natin mag-set ng initial guess sa negative value. So, initial guess natin is negative 2. Press equals, then i-clear natin. So, answer minus answer minus 10 for answer raised to 3 minus 1. So, sa first iteration ng initial guess natin negative 2 is negative 1.7575. Press nyo ulit yung equals. This equals to negative 1.700. Next is negative 1.697. So, titingnan lang natin dito yung 3 digit. Kapag nag-same yung previous iteration na 3 digit sa susunod na iteration, yan na yung root natin. So, dito, sa third iteration, it is equals to 1.697. And sa fourth iteration, yun. So, nag-remain yung 3 digit na decimal places natin. So, it is equals to negative 1.697. Therefore, we conclude na it is equals to negative 1.697. So, kung gusto nyo mag-try arbitrarily, sabihin natin 10. Press nyo yung equals, and clear yung answer, minus, satisfy nyo lang sa formula, is to 4, minus answer, minus 10, 4, answer, cube, minus 1. So, press nyo lang ito. Press nyo lang yung equals hanggang makita nyo na yung 3 digit is na the same. Yun. Yun. So, using 10, nag-stop din tayo sa 1.855. So, try natin mag-initial guess ng negative. Yung mataas, sabihin natin 100. So, click nyo yung answer. Satisfy nyo lang sa formula. And then 4, answer cube, minus 1. Equals. Press nyo lang yung equals hanggang umabot tayo sa value ng root natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, as the iteration gets higher, yung value na root natin is mas lumalapit. Okay? So, I guess, nag-stop na siya sa negative 1.697. Therefore, ito yung value ng root natin for the negative value ng root. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and hope na makatulong ito sa inyo to solve the roots in just few seconds lang. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless.